guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this lovely Triumph Street Twin 900. So this one is a 2018 on a 68 plate. It's done 6,107 miles and it's had quite a bit of money spent on it. So with these you get a digital display, you also get ABS as well. And this one has had, like I said, a lot of money spent on it. So you've got the genuine Triumph billet levers, you've got the bar end mirrors, you've got Triumph grips as well. It's got a fly screen on there, it's also got a shorty mud guard, it's got a radiator guard, it's got a sump guard as you can see. These wheels are custom. Normally you get a 5-spoke wheel, but these you've got the nice spokey wheels. It's got the Vance Hines pipes and it sounds mega, so if you rewind a little bit you get to hear it. All little parts like this are aftermarket as well, little infills. It's got some Fox Racing rear shocks. It's got a tail tidy, and you'll look at the seat and think, that's off a Street Cup. So this is a Street Cup seat and cowl, and obviously someone's fit it to the Street Twin. Cool little indicators as well, which I'll show you. They're all LED. Even things like the fuel capper, aftermarket as well. Nice retro looks. But they're a cool bike, 2-cylinder engine. They sound fantastic. They look the business. And like I said, this one has had a fair bit of money spent on it. Looks fantastic in the gloss white as well, with the sort of Triumph badge going through it in black and blue and a little bit of a red pinstripe. Anyway, I'm sure it'll be sold immediately, so if you do want it, be quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.